I lost my entire 5,000 trading account last week. Let me show you what I did wrong so you don't make the same mistake. My name is Obi. I'm a prop trader from Ashedge, and I've been trading full time in crypto. And last week I ignored my own rule, which is never trade based on hype. Now in this video, I'll be walking you through the mistakes I made and lessons you can learn from it. As you can see with my account, I started with $5,000 here and I had a realized profit of 333, making this challenge to be over, and it failed and I was stopped out. These are the mistakes I made and when I was liquidated, and as you can see, it ended on the 29th of May last week, and I was stopped out and this account was closed. Now I have a new account and of another $5,000, which I'm yet to deploy into the market. And just like James Wynn, which we already know in crypto Twitter, for those of you guys that are familiar with crypto Twitter, he just jumped into another trade of I think about another 50 million yesterday, but he got liquidated with 100 million. So of course he too is taking a lot of risk and not adhering to a lot of mistakes, and also trading based on hype. Now we use this view to look into the market and see what the market is telling us right now. And as you can see with the market, respecting our trend area we have highlighted between 100,000 to $103,000 levels, and you can see we respected that support and we bounced off it, and now we are back at $105,000 levels. So we should be looking at facing another resistance of in around the $107,000 levels. And if we can combat this resistance and go above this resistance and fight through it, then we should be confirming that as support, the $107,000 resistance level. And if we combat that resistance and we break that resistance, then at that point I should be taking a trade to the upside. Let me just draw a trend line so I indicate to you the levels I am speaking of. So I'm speaking of the levels around here. Yes. So at these levels, if we break this trend line, if we break this support, this resistance that we have right now, and we turn it into support, this will be a perfect zone for me to take a trade right here and for us to go upwards from there. So this will be a perfect scenario for us to take a trade across this line, above this line. Once we are above this support, this resistance, current resistance, and we turn it into support, then we'll take a trade and we'll be going upwards and expecting profit taking, and we'll be taking note of our failures, our mistakes, and learning from this moving forward. These are the clear takeaways, which is: one, never chase FOMO, always use a stop loss, and to journal every mistake every time in the market. Now, what are we looking at? What are the levels are we watching for Bitcoin? These are the kind of things we should journal. What are the levels we are watching for Bitcoin? So right now we are watching for levels of $107,000 levels. What are our next steps? After we see it, we enter a trade immediately. And the main thing is to keep our mindset strong, which is always meditating and staying course, even despite anything. So I want to ask you a question, you guys. Have you ever blown a trade like this before? Please drop your worst mistake in the comments. I'll reply to every single one. But I heard you that you should come back and follow me and learn from it. Subscribe now, like the video, and come back for more. Come back for more lessons, and let's build together. Red days come, but green days are where we build our resilience and we build our wealth. See you tomorrow. Bye.